A flat tire could be a huge inconvenience to your daily routine. Luckily, most new vehicles have a spare tire and tools to help you carry on with your day. Never attempt to change your tire while exposed to passing vehicles. Park safely away from traffic. Engage the parking brake. If your vehicle is parked on a hill, make sure to find something to place under a tire to prevent it from rolling away when you jack up the vehicle. The tools in the spare tire will be located in the back of the car under the trunk liner. To remove the spare tire, unscrew the cap holding it in place and move the subwoofer carefully out of the way to avoid damaging any wires. Use the scissor jack to raise your vehicle. Examine the bottom of the vehicle in behind the front wheel or in the front of the rear wheel. There should be a lip that extends downwards. There will be a notch in the jack that fits this lip. Position the jack below the lip. Use your hands to turn the jack until it sits against the lip or jacking point. Then, move on to the tools when the jack is in place and jack up the vehicle until the tire is no longer touching the ground. Remove the flat tire and install the spare. Tighten the lug nuts by hand before lowering the vehicle. Lower the vehicle, then tighten the lug nuts in a crisscross pattern. There should be text on the spare tire mentioning the maximum safe speed you may drive with it. It is recommended to replace the spare tire as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Check out our channel for more videos like this.